And here we go. This is one fantastic, beautiful view. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. Feel the glory of God. See the world, feel the love. Isn't that just beautiful? Wow. What a view. I mean, just gorgeous. Wow. This is Minnesota, guys. Beautiful sunlit skies.